Hello, hello, and welcome. Thank you for joining me. Happy Wednesday. Today marks episode number 4 in my kitchen series. We started out at the coffee bar. We moved to the kitchen. We did the dining room. Now we're moving into the Butlers Pantry. I should have included the sunroom as a part of my series, and I don't know why I didn't. I should have. It should have really been episode number 5, if you will. We've done a lot, but today we are finishing off this whole side of the house before we move into the family room and other parts of the house. I've carried the lemon theme on into the family room, which you're gonna see coming up. But in the Butlers Pantry, I decided to go a different route. You guys know how much I love French country. I would say my Butlers Pantry is definitely a nod to Farmhouse. So when I stood back, I thought, what am I gonna do in here? And I decided roosters, color. So what I'm gonna do is share a picture of what the Butlers Pantry looks like, stripped of any decor. It's a picture from before we moved in. Okay, where I think I'm gonna start is the top of the upper cabinets. And I wanna bring some color and some cheeriness up there. We have 2 French doors, and when you're sitting at the dining room table, you can look through the doors and see what's up there. Same thing if you're coming around on the other side of the kitchen, you can look in, and I just want your eyes to be drawn upwards and it to have a beautiful summery look. All right, so to start, I was at Michael's and I came across this beautiful garland. I like this garland because it's wispy. So I also knew I wanted to add a pop of yellow. So even though it's not lemon themed, it carries that color through the Butlers Pantry. But anyway, I got this garland at Michael's. But what I'm going to do is sort of beef this look up. So what I'm doing is sort of just separating the flowers so they look more substantial when I intertwine it with the green garland. Like super, super simple. What I'm doing is I'm going end to end and I'm just wrapping this around the end of this garland so it has something to hang on to. And then I'm gently and loosely going ring around the rosy, bringing it around the garland ever so slightly. So now it looks a little more interesting, doesn't it? Once I get this garland placed on top of the upper cabinets, I'm then gonna go in and sneak this through. Just every so often. But can you see how those colors look gorgeous together? I think it'll be a really pretty look up there on the cabinet. So let's go do it. I have upper kitchen cabinets and you're always wondering, how am I going to secure a garland? You can always use those command strips, but I'll be honest, I haven't had the best luck with them. Sometimes they come undone and then your display comes crashing down. So what I did was I took a big nail and that will be my anchor all the way down. But anyway, let's get started. I think what I'm going to do is add all the decor pieces first and then we'll add the garland last. To start, I'm going to add this olive arrangement. I kind of like that, just sitting kind of off to the side in the corner. I think what I'm gonna do next is set this to music, but you can watch what I'm gonna do up here. I just did this off camera. This is a little terrarium that I got from IKEA. This is faux moss that I got from Michael's. I sat a bird in there, added a pop of greenery right there, and then I put one of those Amazon picks behind there and pulled it over almost like a tree branch. And I think it looks so cute. I had to sit this on a riser because I'm gonna have the garland right here. So, but anyway, I think it's really, really cute for spring and summer. Okay, now that we have everything set, let's add the garland. Pretty basic up here. Pops of black, black and white and gray. So once you get the garlands attached, then you want to go in and kind of tweak the flowers and turn them and twist them so they're showing and they look happy and cheery. And the reason I like to put a nail right there is so I can use it seasonally and I don't ever have to worry about things coming undone or apart, and I can just come here and loop it. And now I'm going to go in with these for just a pop of red. All I have is 6, and also when these came they were all scrunched like this. And what I did was I just sort of spread them out because really I just want to see little pops of red up there. Also too, this is sort of my inspiration, so I definitely wanted to add a pop of red. Found these on Amazon. It's Deco 79 and it has sort of a trellis look, which I love. And by the way, these look really good with my carpet I have here. So love, love, love. And right here, I have this look going on. I just added that because I really needed a bigger picture that was longer for it to look the way I wanted it to. So anyway, I added that little shelf and I think it sort of balances out this look better. Now what I have here are 2 touch base lamps. I love these. They're cage lamps. You guys may remember I have several of these at our apartment in Pittsburgh, and I love them. You can see right here, it's white and distressed. Really, really cute. It comes with the Edison bulb, which is a plus, and you just tap, 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 and you have a beautiful light. I got that sign thrifting, and it's something that stays there year round. I'm not doing a tea theme or a coffee theme, but I just like the sign. What can I say? We're gonna start here and then we're gonna move down there and we're gonna angle our vignettes. One here and one down there. Going in with texture. I've got a basket, we're gonna angle it. Then we're going in with this beautiful wreath Amazon. I should call this the sign room. I don't care what anyone says about signs. I love them. I'm going to use them. Don't care. I have another sign that says pie and cake sale. I just like that it's a pop of black, the little wood frame, and I found this thrifting over the weekend. with a black cake stand with beaded detail right here. Really pretty. It'll tie all the black in together. Next, we're going in with this adorable Rooster cookie jar. This is certified international. I just got it from Amazon. Love him. He's so cute. Going in with a white plate charger and a black and white plate. And then I came across this adorable little chicken on Amazon, and then I ordered these really cute wooden eggs. You get all of these in a package. And so I'm gonna set this right here. Why? I know it's a lot, but it's cute. It's cute. All right, let's move down to that end. I want to conceal that. By the way, you guys, you need to get these. You know how your cords usually stick out when you put them on the wall? I got this, and you can literally put 3 outlets on this, and then you just flip it down. How cool is that? This really cute riser, another one, my signature risers. Anyway, I'm gonna set this here. And because it's by the sign that says coffee and tea, I thought I would set these adorable mugs on top. I also want to share this. This is the little ledge that comes in, I think a set of 4 or 5, I can't remember. And I split them up, but I used this over my door, and then I added the white chargers and these really cute rooster plates that I got on Amazon. And then I added a wood cutting board. And then as you go in, that's what it looks like. But as you enter, you've got cute rooster pictures above. Now when you come in to the Butlers Pantry, just on the other side, I have a little ledge there with a cutting board. And then down here, 2 more rooster plates with a black cutting board. And then as you enter, that's what it looks like. Well, that will wrap up my video for today. I thank you so much for hanging out with me. I apologize for the lighting quality. It's sort of a dreary, dark day today. Yesterday was beautiful, today dark and dreary. So anyway, thanks for joining me. This will wrap up my whole kitchen series. Not sure where we're heading next. We'll figure that out Friday, and I hope to see you then. Just as a reminder, anything that was showcased in this video today will be linked in the description box below, or similar items. And if you guys wouldn't mind giving me a big thumbs up, it helps my channel and I greatly appreciate it. All right, you guys, I will see you back here Friday. Love you all so much. Mwah. Bye, guys.